My mum and I are craving Subway. Let's get it together. Please may I get the whole grain bread? 6-inch. I'll get 2 of those. A chicken tikka in both of them, please. Onions, cucumber, sweet corn, peppers, gherkins, jalapeno. Yeah, that's all good. Yes, please. Thank you so much. You too. I've actually not eaten all day. It's currently 3 p.m. All I've had is a chai. Some of it's my mum, some of it's mine. Give my mum the nicer one. Look how good that looks. Never underestimate the beauty of a simple sandwich, especially a Subway sandwich. Oh my god.